Did you know that a clean engine bay can actually improve your vehicle's performance and longevity? But here's the catch. Most people clean it the wrong way and end up damaging critical components like the alternator, ignition coils, or even the electrical system. In this video, I'm going to break down the biggest mistakes people make when cleaning their engine bay, and more importantly, show you the right way to do it, safely and effectively. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle in top shape, you don't want to miss this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your engine bay looking spotless without causing costly damage. Let's get started. Number 1. Spraying water directly on the alternator. One of the worst things you can do when cleaning your engine bay is spraying water directly on the alternator. Why? Because your alternator is not waterproof. Most alternators are air-cooled and have open vents, meaning if you soak it with water, that moisture seeps inside and stays there, leading to internal corrosion, short circuits, or even a completely fried charging system a few weeks later. And the worst part? You won't even notice the damage right away. Your car might start fine today, but a few weeks down the road, you'll start hearing a high-pitched whine from your alternator. Or worse, your battery won't charge properly, and suddenly, your car won't start. So, what should you do instead? If you're cleaning your engine bay, cover the alternator with a plastic bag or aluminum foil before rinsing anything down. It takes 10 seconds and could save you hundreds of dollars in repairs. If you really need to clean the alternator itself, use a dry brush or compressed air to remove dust and debris. Number 2. Using a pressure washer on electrical connectors. Modern electrical connectors are water resistant, not waterproof. That means they can handle a little moisture from rain or humidity, but when you hit them with a high-pressure jet of water, you're basically forcing water inside the connector, and that's where the nightmare begins. At first, you won't notice anything wrong. The car starts fine. Everything seems normal. But over the next few weeks or months, that hidden water inside the connector starts causing corrosion. The metal contacts inside slowly degrade, and suddenly your car develops mysterious electrical gremlins. Maybe it won't start one day. Maybe your check engine light comes on for no reason. Maybe you lose power to critical sensors. And now, you're stuck diagnosing an electrical nightmare that all started with a simple wash. So, what's the right way to clean your engine bay? Instead of pressure washing, use a damp microfiber towel and a detailing spray to wipe down surfaces. If connectors look dusty, use compressed air to blow away debris. And if you absolutely need to clean an area with water, cover the connectors with plastic bags and only use a gentle mist, never high pressure. Number 3. Cleaning a hot engine with water. When a scorching hot engine suddenly gets drenched in cold water, the rapid temperature change causes metal and plastic parts to contract too quickly, leading to cracks in critical components like the radiator, exhaust manifold, or even the cylinder head. And that's not all. O2 sensors and air-fuel ratio sensors are extremely sensitive to sudden cooling, and this temperature shock can fry them instantly. One wash could cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. What should you do instead? Always let your engine cool down for at least 30 to 60 minutes before cleaning. A good rule of thumb? If you can touch the engine comfortably, it's safe to clean. Use a microfiber towel and a detailing spray to wipe down dust and grime instead of soaking everything with water. If you must use water, only use a light mist. And never spray directly on sensitive areas like sensors, coil packs, or the alternator. Number 4. Allowing water to pool in ignition coil wells. You might not see it happening, but water pooling around your ignition coils and spark plugs can silently destroy your engine's performance. When water seeps into these wells, it leads to misfires, corrosion, and even permanent damage to the ignition system. And the worst part? You won't realize there's a problem until your engine starts running rough or won't start at all. How to avoid this? Never spray water directly near ignition coils or spark plug wells. Use compressed air or a microfiber towel to dry any moisture that collects. If cleaning with water, cover ignition components with plastic bags to keep them dry. A little caution now can save you from expensive ignition coil replacements later. Number 5. Spraying harsh chemicals on plastic and rubber components. Using strong degreasers or brake cleaners might seem like the easiest way to remove grime, but these chemicals can dry out, discolor, or even crack plastic and rubber parts under your hood. Engine covers, hoses, and wiring insulation can become brittle over time, leading to expensive repairs or premature wear. What should you do? Use a mild, engine-safe degreaser and always test on a small area first. Avoid using brake cleaner on plastic or rubber. It can weaken them instantly. For best results, use a microfiber towel and a plastic-safe cleaner to wipe down surfaces. A clean engine bay is great, but ruining key components with harsh chemicals. Number 6. Not covering the intake and electrical components. One of the biggest mistakes people make is forgetting to cover critical components like the air intake, fuse box, alternator, and exposed wiring. Water in these areas can lead to hydrolocking, short circuits, or complete engine failure, and that's a repair bill you do not want to deal with. Your air intake feeds air directly into the engine, so if water gets inside, it can mix with fuel and cause serious internal damage. Likewise, electrical components like fuse boxes and wiring harnesses aren't designed to handle direct water exposure, leading to mysterious electrical issues that could take months to show up. What should you do? Before spraying anything, cover sensitive components with plastic bags or waterproof tape. Use a damp microfiber towel or compressed air to clean around delicate areas instead of soaking them. Avoid spraying water directly into any openings, especially near the intake, battery, and sensors. Number 7. Using the wrong type of water for rinsing. You might think it's just water. What's the big deal? But using hard tap water to rinse your engine bay can lead to mineral buildup, corrosion, and ugly water spots on metal and plastic surfaces. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, which, over time, can leave behind stubborn deposits that degrade engine components and electrical connections. What should you do instead? If possible, use distilled or deionized water for a spot-free rinse and to prevent mineral buildup. If only tap water is available, wipe surfaces dry immediately to avoid water stains. Use compressed air to blow out trapped water in connectors and crevices to prevent corrosion. Number 8. Not drying the engine bay properly after cleaning. You finished cleaning your engine bay and it looks spotless, but if you don't dry it properly, you could be setting yourself up for rust, corrosion, and electrical issues down the line. Leftover moisture can seep into connectors, sensors, and metal components, leading to slow corrosion that won't show symptoms until months later. Worse, trapped water in electrical connections can cause intermittent faults, misfires, or even prevent your car from starting when you least expect it. How to dry your engine bay the right way. Use compressed air to blow out water from tight spaces, connectors, and crevices. Wipe down all surfaces with a dry microfiber towel to remove standing moisture. Let the hood stay open for 30 to 60 minutes to allow any remaining water to evaporate. If possible, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Engine heat will help dry out hidden moisture. Number 9. Overusing shine or dressings on engine components. Everyone loves a clean, showroom fresh engine bay, but applying too much shine or dressing can actually do more harm than good. Many commercial engine bay dressings contain silicone-based ingredients, which leave surfaces looking glossy but also attract dust and grime, making your engine get dirty faster. Over time, these products can build up on rubber hoses, plastic covers, and wiring insulation, leading to premature drying, cracking, or even making belts slippery, which can cause performance issues. How to safely enhance your engine bay's appearance? Use a light water-based dressing that won't leave a sticky residue. Applying dressing sparingly, a small amount on a microfiber towel, is enough. Avoid getting dressed on belts and pulleys, as this can cause slipping or squeaking. Number 10. Forgetting to check for leaks after cleaning. You just finished cleaning your engine bay. Everything looks spotless, and you're feeling great. But if you forget to check for leaks afterward, you might be masking serious mechanical problems. A clean engine makes it easier to spot leaks, but if you washed away oil stains, coolant residue, or power steering fluid marks without checking where they came from, you could be ignoring early warning signs of a bigger issue. Leaks are often slow and gradual, meaning you may not notice a problem until it's too late, like an overheating engine, low oil levels, or a failing transmission. If you clean without inspecting first, you lose valuable clues that could have helped catch a problem early and save you hundreds. What should you do instead? Before cleaning, inspect the engine bay for any signs of leaks. Look for oil spots, dried coolant residue, or damp areas near hoses and gaskets. Take a photo of any potential leak areas so you can recheck them after cleaning. After cleaning, Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, then check again for any fresh leaks. If you notice a leak after cleaning, don't ignore it. Identify the source and fix it before it turns into a bigger problem. That's all for today. If you found these tips helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.